Faculty of Science in SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur, and I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. And in today's subject video, we will be studying about a very important chapter, that is hydrogen. This chapter is a very important chapter for class 11th chemistry. And now, without wasting our time, let us discuss about hydrogen. Yes, children, you are right. Hydrogen is the first member in the periodic table. It occupies atomic number 1 and is placed on the top of the periodic table. But do you know there were various contradictions regarding the position of hydrogen? Let it be Mendeleev periodic table or Moseley periodic table. Hydrogen has always been in contradiction. But yes, this is also the solution to a very big problem. Probably it is considered as one of the important future fuel. Do you know why? Yes, it is considered as a future fuel because it has a very high calorific value. But then a question comes into our mind that if it has a very high calorific value, it produces so much amount of energy, then why it has not been used as a fuel? It is not being used as a fuel because of its extremely low ignition temperature. Now, without wasting our time, let us study about hydrogen. Hydrogen is a chemical element that exists as a gas at room temperature. When hydrogen gas burns in air, it forms water. French chemist Anton Lavoisier named hydrogen from the Greek word as water former because it on burning produces water. Hydrogen has the smallest atom of any element. A hydrogen atom contains one proton and only one electron. And do you know one of its isotope, that is protium, does not have any neutron? Yes, this protium has atomic number 1 but atomic mass also 1. That means there are no neutrons in protium. Pure hydrogen gas exists as hydrogen gas, in which hydrogen atoms bond together to make a molecule, and a molecule of hydrogen is represented as H2. Now let us understand how was hydrogen formed. Discovered by Henry Cavendish. He was the person responsible for the discovery of this very important element, hydrogen. Hydrogen was discovered in London in the year 1766, and hydrogen has always been in report because hydrogen is the element which is having various properties. It can be linked with the alkali metals. It can also be linked with the halogens because alkali metals give electron and hydrogen can also give its electron. Also, the halogens, they receive electron and hydrogen can receive an electron to form a hydrogen molecule. So let us now see about position of hydrogen in the periodic table. In the first element in the periodic table is hydrogen and it is represented by the symbol H. Hydrogen combine with almost every other element and form more than one compound. For example, water, natural gas, petroleum. It is the ingredient in all of these compounds. And yes, very soon we will be accepting hydrogen as a future fuel because it has been used and it has been checked by some of the organizations that hydrogen can be used as a future fuel if we just eliminate one of its drawback, and that is ignition temperature. Now let us study about the physical properties of hydrogen. Hydrogen is a colorless gas and changes from gas to liquid at a temperature of minus 252.77 degrees. It has changed from liquid to solid at a temperature of minus 259.2 degrees Celsius. Hydrogen is an odorless gas. It has lowest density, that is 0.08999 grams per liter. When it comes to solubility, then slightly soluble in water and alcohol and other compounds also. Now let's study about the chemical properties of hydrogen. It is having an atomic number of 1 and the van der Waals radius is 0.12 nanometer, whereas the atomic mass is 1.007825 grams per mole. The ionic radius of hydrogen is 0.208 nanometer. It has got 3 isotopes, that is protium, deuterium and tritium. The electronic configuration of this element is 1s2 and the energy of its first ionization is 1311 kilojoules per mole. That means a very high ionization energy. Now let us come to the major uses of hydrogen. It is a very important reducing agent. That means it easily gives its electron. That is, it can be used to reduce non-metals to form stable compounds. It is also used in the synthesis of ammonia. Do you remember Haber's process? Yes, children, where it combines with nitrogen to form ammonia, that is NH3, which is a very important component for formation of urea, which is used in the fertilizers. Hydrogen is also used in vegetable oils. If you remember, it is used in preparation of vegetable ghee from vegetable oil. Hydrogen is a very economical fuel. As we have already told, it is absorbed in the nature in a very free form, and it is a very cheap fuel. So let us see now about the uses, various applications where hydrogen can be used. It has got immense applications, whether it is generation of energy in a hydrogen power plant, metal refining, upgrading oil, synthetic fuels. Hydrogen is also used vastly as a natural gas compound, also in the wind energy, solar panels, geothermal energy, and nuclear power plants. Besides that, it is also becoming a very important component of battery. And yes, very soon it will be substituted as an energy resource. Now, if you really like this slide and really like this video, then please like and subscribe. So keep shining, be at home, and please work hard. And I'll be coming with more interesting videos with all of you and sharing you within a very short tenure. Thank you all for being a very good listener. Thank you.